Hello everyone. In this video we will learn to construct a triangle given its base angle and the difference of other two sides. Here we will be considering the second case in which the side opposite to the base angle is greater than the side adjacent to the base angle. For the same, we will consider a question in which we have to draw triangle PQR in which base is 6 centimeter, base angle is 60 degree and the side opposite to the base angle, that is PR, is greater than PQ. Then only we have this information given as PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. We will draw the line segment QR first as per the question. QR is equal to 6 centimeter. So we will draw a line segment QR equal to 6 centimeter. And as the base angle is equal to 60 degree, so with Q as center, we will draw a main arc and mark the point of intersection of QR and the main arc as point X. And now with X as center and same radius, we will cut an arc on main arc and mark this point as point Y. So we have this angle is of 60 degree, but now since it is the case, the second case, so we will be extending it in opposite direction of the line segment QR. So with Q as center and the radius equal to PR minus PQ, we have cut an arc and marked the point as D. Next step is to join line segment DR and then to draw a perpendicular bisector of DR. To draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment, our measure in the compass should be more than half of the line segment. So two arcs are first drawn from DNR and their point of intersection is marked as S. And then with DNR as center and the same radius we took to get the point S, we will draw two arcs again and mark this point of intersection of arcs as T. So ST is our perpendicular bisector. We will join it and extend it. And from Q also we will extend the line segment QY such that we get a point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector and QY line segment extended. We will mark this point as P and join PR. PQR is the required triangle. Let us now see the steps that we have followed to construct the triangle. Step 1 is to draw the base QR which is equal to 6 centimeter and at the point Q to make an angle YQR equal to 60 degree, that is the base angle is equal to 60 degree. Now since the line segment which is opposite to the base angle is greater, therefore we will extend the line QY in the opposite side of the line segment QR. And then we will cut an arc of 2 centimeter on this line segment which has been extended in the opposite side. Then join DR and now DR is the new side. We will draw its perpendicular bisector, say ST, and let it intersect QY extended at a point P. We will join points P and R and the triangle that we get PQR is the required triangle. Now let us see the justification for the construction that we have done. We have drawn QD which is equal to actually PR minus PQ, that is 2 centimeter. And second thing that we have done is we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of DR. So when we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of DR, we have two triangles, triangle PDA and triangle PRA, which are respectively congruent to each other. As PA is equal to PA, the common side, angle PAD is equal to angle PAR, both of them are equal to 90 degree, as PA is the perpendicular bisector of DR. Also AD is equal to AR, same reason as we know that PA is perpendicular bisector of DR. So the triangles are congruent by SAS congruency rule, and if this is so, we can say PD is equal to PR by CPCT. Now the construction that we did, that is QD equal to PD minus PQ equal to 2 centimeter. is justified as PD is equal to PR, and therefore QD, the distance that we have marked as 2 centimeter, is same as the information given in the question, that is PR minus PQ should be equal to 2 centimeter.